According to a study done by UTech professor Fitzroy Henry in November 2020, which is about 2.5 years ago, it costs $3.29, or approximately Jamaican 490 Jamaican dollars a day, to meet a low-cost, nutritionally balanced diet for a single person. Statin has reported that food cost inflation since then, over the 2-year period, has averaged over 22%. This would put the average cost of a low-cost, nutritionally balanced diet for one person at roughly 600 Jamaican dollars a day, or 4,200 Jamaican dollars a week, as of January 2023. That 4,200 Jamaican dollars a week represents right now 46% of what the national minimum wage is. And when we look only at a small number of basic food items, the things that many of us consume, we can only imagine how difficult it is for people to survive on a day-to-day basis. What it means for those who are at the base of our society, it means that the cup of tea, or the saltfish fritters, or the cup of cornmeal porridge, all of those things have gone up. Every single one of them have gone up. So it means what you would normally be able to consume for breakfast in the morning, you probably can't consume it anymore. And you have to forego a meal, 1 meal per day, because of the cost of food items. This is the reality, Madam Speaker, that Jamaicans are faced with every single day. Madam Speaker, based on these numbers, if even the lowest paid worker in our society is to enjoy the mix of goods that Statin uses to determine inflation, they would need to be paid $11,730 a week. So if you look at food, it represents 35% of the basket. Basic food items would account for 4,200 per week. For somebody to consume that, and remember, you are assuming the person has other costs. They have transportation costs, they have utilities costs, they will have costs to send their children to school. I don't even reach medicine yet.